those whose goal is to make Turkey's name a mark in agricultural and food industry among the largest in the world started out with power they received from the farmer that day. The goals of Konya sugar and beet producer changed with the innovative vision of the management led by Recep Konuk, who came to work in 1999. And the tracks leading to the world's food giants began to be laid one by one. The first investment of the new management was Çumra Sugar Factory. Chairman Recep Konuk and his 15 friends transferred Çumra Sugar with its quota to Konya Sugar free of charge when he was the first mayor of Çumra. Together with Çumra Sugar Factory, Konya Seka has become the locomotive of the sector by meeting 1/5 of the country's sugar production. In line with the same vision, the firsts such as ethanol, pharmaceutical sugar, Candice, bee feed, ultra-conditioned greenhouses, liquid fertilizer from molasses and liquid carbon dioxide of plant origin were carried out. Torku, that aims to be a sustainable model on the global scale in agricultural development and agricultural and industrial integration, and to provide our consumers with reliable, natural and delicious products from field to fork, is rapidly increasing its market share with the production of chocolate, confectionery, biscuits, cakes, wafers, meat products, bulgur, molasses, turnip and fruit juice. Initiating a radical change in the income composition of regional agriculture, Panagro has the only largest integrated meat and dairy complex campus in the world. Konya Sugar established Seydibe agricultural products processing facilities to process potatoes with the vision of evaluating every product produced by the farmer. With the increasing demand and 120% capacity, potato croquettes, onion rings, apple slices and finger potatoes were produced in the plants, which is the biggest in the sector. Potato starch plant investment was made in order to produce imported potato starch in the country. Konya Sugar established crude oil production facilities for oil plants and crude oil deficits, which are the products that our country is dependent on other countries. Konya Sugar, aiming to increase the efficiency in agricultural production by using water more economically, established the Panplast Plastic Campus. Konya Sugar, which has been in the energy sector since its establishment with Kaban Yıldızı power plant, became one of Turkey's largest power generation companies by having Sivas Kangal thermal power plant and Soma thermal power plant in its structure. Every plant waste established by Konya Seka constitutes the raw material of another plant, and this structure converts semi-finished products to the final product as much as possible, and works with every zero waste. Konya Sugar made investment in Turkey's largest animal feed factory for the region, in cooperation with industry, university to BTUC using the most advanced technology. It also supports beekeeping by producing bee feed and cakes used in the feeding of bees in winter. Konya Sugar, producing liquid carbon dioxide from waste gas and making greenhouses with waste hot water, began to produce tilapia fish with the same system applied in the greenhouse. Being aware of the fact that good product can be obtained from good seed, Konya Sugar has accelerated its R&D activities, with its facilities established in Altınöken, in order to ensure the sustainability of world-class seed breeding and GMO-free seed production. 7 breeding farms were established to bring high-yielding breeds into the region. Being aware of its social responsibility, Konya Sugar fulfills its social responsibilities in a range of social benefits, from education to health, from sports to solidarity. Major successes have been achieved in the field of sports. 20 million saplings were planted with the goals of planting saplings as much as the population of Konya. 66 Torku urban forests were created. The new target is to plant seedlings as much as the country's population. Konya Food and Agriculture University, which will integrate agriculture and food industry with science, was founded as the first specialized university of our country. It will also open the path of leadership for Turkish agriculture with the leading scholars of the world. Aiming to increase the welfare of Turkish farmers by gaining more profit, Konya Sugar founded the fruit juice, syrup, vinegar and molasses factory in Sugar that will process the products such as grapes and apples which farmers in the region will produce. The investment of Chumra flour factory was made in order to use natural and unadulterated flour in baking products of Torku brands. Village-type bulgur produced in real stone mills with the investment of bulgur factory in Karapanaj, Konya was introduced to the market with Torku Çatahalyuruk brand. Turnip plant, one of the beverage group investments, took its place in the market with the brand Torku Bordeaux. Konya Sugar established Doğrudan Market retail stores in order to present Torku branded delicious products to customers and farmers, together with its most natural forms and all kinds of richness. In addition, Torku Ziyafet Doner restaurants were opened in 2018 in response to consumers' demand for both delicious and reliable prepared food. All these investments are the work of thousands of farmers who believe in the fertility of the land, thousands of employees who work night and day, and a determined will that says that we cannot be poor guardians of the rich lands. Konya Sugar, the productive power of Turkey.